Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we're in Sam's Tiki Bar. What today are we gonna make? Watermelon Agua Fresca. Yes, watermelon Agua Fresca. I'm making it because my cousins are coming up and my sister's coming up, and we're gonna have a family here. Blah 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 blah. I'm in a half iron. I'm tired because I'm in a half iron. Anyway, the Agua Fresca. Okay, that's made out of watermelon. You need 4 cups of watermelon. Then you need to blend that with 3 cups of water. That's pretty much the deal. Then you need to add 3 tablespoons of sugar to it, which I have done, okay? And you need 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Now, I made it upstairs. This is what it looks like. A big picture of that. Okay, so in here are 4 cups of watermelon, which is a half of a watermelon. Okay, then there are 3 tablespoons of sugar in there and 3 cups of water. And then I blended it together. And after I blended it, I put it through a strainer, and then I put it back into this. And that's what we have right now. But the only thing that I didn't put in it was lime juice. So let's put in some lime juice. Let's just do that. Oh well. Still good. So anyway, so then after we do that, I'm going to mix it. And then I need ice. Forgot to put ice in my cup. I'm back. So let's take this. We're going to put this Agua Fresca into and over the ice. And then I'm going to taste it. There's no alcohol in this. Nothing. Looks pretty. See what it tastes like. This is refreshing and delicious. I had an Agua Fresca in California. They're magnificent, any flavor. It just knocks your socks off. It's a hot day. This is perfect for a hot day. But what would make it more perfect? I know, tequila. So I'm going to take this, my Pantalones Tequila, and I'm going to put in 2 shots. And after I finish using my entire bottle of Pantalones, I have to go buy another bottle. It's getting to the point where I want to put Pantalones on breakfast cereal. Yes, I said it. It's getting to that point. But there we go. I put that on top. And let's mix. Now, I've never thought of putting liquor with Agua Fresca because there's never any liquor around when I have an Agua Fresca. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm hoping it's great. Yeah. Yes. Tequila and Agua Fresca. I bet you never had that before. What if? No, I'm not going to do that. I was thinking about putting rum with it. We have to try that. We have to. Let me get some rum. This is Sam spiked rum. I spiced it with spice. I'm just putting it in a rocks glass. Let's see what happens. And rum. I'm just going with a little bit of rum because I just have a little bit of the watermelon Agua Fresca. Let's go do this. Yes, either of them are amazing. Either of them are amazing. So what movie am I going to recommend? I put any thought towards it. Like movies. The Magnificent Seven. That's the movie that I'm going to recommend. The Magnificent Seven, the newer one with Denzel Washington in it. Highly recommend it. It's a fun watch. It's long, but it's good. Okay? So anywho, try the Agua Fresca. Have a wonderful 4th of July weekend. And this is Tiki Bar Sam saying have a great day. Okay, enjoy your day. Okay, bye-bye.